In the heart of the American muscle car scene, a legend was about to be born. A car that would redefine power, performance, and raw, untamed spirit, the Dodge Viper. In 1992, Dodge unveiled the Viper, a bold statement against the rising tide of import cars. Inspired by the iconic Shelby Cobra, the Viper was a throwback to the golden age of muscle cars, but with a modern twist. Under the hood, a beast awakened. The Viper's heart was a monstrous 8.0-liter V10 engine, a symphony of power and sound that sent shivers down the spines of enthusiasts and competitors alike. The Viper wasn't just a one-hit wonder, it was a constant evolution. Over 5 generations, it received numerous upgrades, from refined handling to increased power, while staying true to its original spirit of raw, unadulterated performance. The Viper's interior wasn't about luxury, it was about purpose. Everything was designed to connect the driver to the machine, offering a pure, unfiltered driving experience. The Viper wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. It captured the imagination of generations, appearing in movies, video games, and becoming a symbol of American automotive muscle. In 2017, the final Viper rolled off the production line, marking the end of an era. But its legacy lives on. The Dodge Viper wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of American audacity, a testament to the enduring love affair between man and machine, and a reminder that sometimes, the most thrilling rides come in the rawest form. Thanks for joining me on this epic ride in the Dodge Viper. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more thrilling content, and I'll see you in the next adventure.